the gymnastics girl and the hairstylist girl, and we are going to make a video in going to the nail salon, and I'll see you when we're there. Quick update, there is actually a storm, and I don't even know if we're gonna make it to the nail salon. The phone might get wet, and I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It's like so rainy. I can't tell if you can see it, but I might be able to turn this around. So you can see the little dots on the window. That's why we have the windshield wipers on. It's pretty bad. We just passed a windstorm. And it was just severe flooding back there, and it was a windstorm. So we just got out of it. And it keeps on raining even harder as we get there. You can see the sky. I'm gonna show you the sky. Right there is a dark spot, and all of that is dark. It's at the mall. That is dark. So it's kind of slowing down because we're going under the bridge. And we thought it was a tornado because everything was white in the sky. That's why we thought it was a tornado, and there was leaves flying all over the car, and everything was going really fast like this, and I thought we were in a tornado too. So that was the update of the storm. Oh, it's getting worse. Look at that. It's getting even worse. See, look at my windshield.
Press these to the motorcycle riders? Right there.
There is motorcycle riders.
In this weather.
And look at my windshield. It's so raining.
Your windshield.
I guess I'm gonna just keep the camera on the whole time to place that we're going. I don't know what it's called. I just call it the nail salon. Huh? It's called Glossy Nail. That's what it's called. I keep on forgetting the nail stylist places. I'm gonna give you the window. It is getting rained on. I'll zoom in for you, but that is what it look like. We have the windshield wipers on, so we can dry it off. And there is a big crack on the window, and you can see right there is a leaf on the drain from the windstorm. It was two different weather things. It was a windstorm and severe flooding. We know that. I will show you. See, look at that flood over there. See that flood?
All right, Sissy, stop recording.
I'm going to stop recording real quick, and I am going to get out and see if this place is really flooded. I'm going to see you when we're in Glossy Nails. Bye. It's raining. Yeah.